Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a very simple black coffin nail, and I'm using my practice tips because you guys know that my nail drill is broken, so I'm not able to fully build these out, but also I probably couldn't build out all my nails anyway because it's a lot of tutorials. So we are starting off with Ugly Duckling's black polish. I believe this is 43 or 44. You would think I would know them by now, but just a nice thin coat of black polish. So I am taking this gold, it's almost like liquid metal. I swear, these are so pretty, and I'm trying to use them more because this is the first time I'm actually using it in a tutorial and I love it. So I'm definitely using this more. So what I'm doing is placing straight lines. That's it. That's all this design is straight lines. So I start at the cuticle area, obviously away from it, and then I go up the side and make sure those are even, and then I come in and repeat the process but upside down. So I take the tip and I draw the line, and then I connect those two lines. Now I'm taking Stick It and this cross that came in these, I believe I got them off Amazon in one of my hauls, and I'm just taking a very small amount and putting it on the back there because I don't want it to stick out, and Stick It is so amazing. It will stay, so you don't really have to worry about it losing its stickiness once you cure it. All right, we're taking a matte top coat here, and I will show it to you shiny, but I prefer it matte. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the 13 nights of Halloween. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.